Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on an HP 17137CL computer. As you can notice over here on the side, the screen got stepped on and all the pixels have gone black. According to the technical specs, you can use this same procedure on the HP 17X000 through HP 17X199. And the first thing we need to do is shut the computer down and pull the battery and the power. So let's do that to begin with. Okay, then the power and the battery. Now the nice thing about this particular style of computer is that there are no screws to remove to get this off. There are 4 bezels, one up here, one on the side, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the bottom. You pull the first one by snapping it, bending it, and popping it, and then that will make it easier to release the 2 sides at the same time, and then the bottom will come loose. So as we begin, we pry from the top, and it pops. And the 2 sides, then the bottom, okay, and then it comes up and out. Careful not to damage the cable that's underneath. Very easily. Okay. Now there are 4 screws that need to be unscrewed, so I'm going to lay it down. And we will unscrew them. I like to move the screws over in line in organized form, so I know which ones came from where. This came out of the square, so I will set them in the same square as they came out. Okay, once those are out, then we carefully lift the screen and flip it over on the keyboard. Okay. As you can see, there's a connector, 30-pin connector here that needs to be released. There we go. And then should almost come free. Looks to me like this tape. there's just a couple spots here that the tape needs to be released. There's one and two. And now it comes free. And now ScreenCountry.com is very good about sending me the new screen. It has a nice tab on the front. There's the connector on the back. You zip it around. And connect it carefully. You want to make sure you get a good fit, and then tape it down. Now, you flip it back up and screw it back in. Okay, without too much problems, that goes in. Now at this point, it's all plugged in, and it's a good point to test to see if it works or not. So I will plug in just the power, and I will turn on and wait just long enough to see screen lights up, and the HP logo should appear shortly. There it is. Very good. Power off. Okay. So, and now, just a few snaps, and we are done. Oops, before I do that, there is on the front, there's a piece of paper that comes protect the screen that needs to be removed. Almost forgot that. That's a little bit tough once this is back on here. Now it'll all fit just nicely. In reverse order. We snap the bezel back in. And there you have it. This has been the update. Have a good one.